guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. Today, as you can see from the title, I have another unboxing video for you. Many of you have been waiting for this Prada unboxing because I showed you on my Instagram, which is this one here. In case you are not following me, come check it out. I show you my daily outfits, how I style my new purchases. So yeah, I would love to see you there as well. But I did post on my stories that I purchased some Prada and I received so many messages, and here is the video finally. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So today I have two beautiful Prada items to unbox with you. Both of them are super popular, so here is one of them. Both of these I purchased on the website and they came in original boxes with the ribbons and everything, and they shipped it. I think it took about 2 or 3 days, so it was quite fast. So I think this will be the more exciting one, so I'm gonna start with this box. And there is a new bag in here that was sold out everywhere. And one night I was browsing at 12 a.m, literally 12 a.m, late night shopping, very late night shopping, and I saw it was available and I checked out immediately. So here it is. Oh, look at the little bed they made for the bag. So cute. Alright guys, any guesses? Last chance to comment. Did you guys guess? I got this beauty, the Prada Crystal Bag. Here is the little Prada Reedition 2000 tag. How gorgeous is this bag? Wow. Did you guys think I would buy this bag? Is this a shocker right now? I don't normally buy trendy bags, but this one is so special. I love a bit of a bling, and when I saw this I couldn't resist. It was sold out for the longest time. Actually, this bag launched as a Dubai exclusive only. It was only available to purchase in Dubai, and it came in 3 different colors. I have seen this in black, white and pink. I think now they have one new color, if I'm not mistaken. I think I saw a silver one somewhere on Instagram. This is my personal favorite. I really love the black with the crystals. I thought this would be easier to style as well. So yeah, I definitely wanted the black one. It was sold out for the longest time. First it was Dubai exclusive, then it launched everywhere else, but it was impossible to find. So I waited and waited. It is stuffed inside, so let me just show you. So the bag is actually satin. It is satin inside as well. And here are the authenticity cards. So this is the authenticity card with the date of purchase, 17th of March. I purchased this bag and I noticed something very interesting. So if you check the little booklet that comes with the authenticity card, it says that the product group uses labels with passive RFID, radio frequency identification technology in order to guarantee the authenticity of the items purchased and improve customer care. The labels contain no personal data. So that is interesting. I've actually heard that many brands are starting to use this radio frequency technology. But anyway, let's move on. So yeah, this is the bag. I purchased it, as you saw, a while ago, and I've already used the bag, which is great because I can give you some feedback and tell you how I find it. Actually, do you guys know what were my initial thoughts when I first unboxed this bag? When I first held it and saw it, I was like, wow, this is really tiny. I don't know why, but I had the impression that the bag was slightly bigger. However, now I think it's the perfect size. Now that I've used it, it is actually perfect. It fits all your essentials. It's not too small. And one thing that actually really annoyed me when I started using the bag was that it's not structured. I don't like unstructured bags. So even now when the bag is empty, you can see that it's quite unstructured. Because it's satin, it's super soft. When you put things inside, this front bit, it looks like this. It kind of dents inwards and it looks really weird when you carry it, especially when you put things inside. So that really bothered me, and I had to buy something. Let me show you. Yep, you guessed it guys, I got a small organizer. This bag without an organizer, look, it looks really weird, doesn't it? It looks really nice when it's all stuffed with the tissue papers, but once it's empty or when you put things inside, like card holder, phone, it looks a bit weird. So to me, this was a must, and let me just show you the difference, okay? Okay, the organizer is in. As you can see, it's black, so you can't even see that there is an organizer, but you can always get a colorful one. So yeah, can you guys see? Completely different, right? The bag instantly looks more structured. It won't lose its shape over time. So I will show you before and after. I will put everything that I normally tend to carry with me on a daily basis. So the Samoga organizer that I'm using is made of felt and it doesn't take up more space. So you're still able to fit the same amount of things as you can see inside. It will just really help you maintain the shape of your bag while you're using it, but it's also great to have an organizer when you're storing your bags, just so they don't flop over. They stay in an upright position when you store them. These inserts are also very lightweight, by the way. They won't make your bag super heavy, so don't worry about that. They're very soft but very structured, and it's very easy to find and organize your items because there are some pockets on the sides, so you can put some more smaller items like a lipstick there or your headphones, so they're easier to access. If you get yourself a brighter colored organizer, you would be able to find your items easier, but I always seem to go for a matchy ones, although brighter colored organizers are very fun. It's like a fun pop of color inside when you open your bag. But yeah, they have so many different colors and they have organizers for every single bag that you can think of, all the new models, so do check them out. I have a discount code. It is still active. It's been active for more than a year now, so if you're interested, I'll leave it here. You can get some money off your order. The organizers are really amazing. I highly recommend them. I have one in every single bag, and they just keep your bag structured. They also protect the inside of your bag in case you spill something inside, or let's say a pen leaks inside your bag. Can you guys imagine the horror? Oh guys, and you can not only find organizers for your handbags on samoga.com, I'll make sure I link their website down below, but you can also find organizers for other accessories like vanity cases from, let's say, Louis Vuitton. They also have beautiful new accessories like chain straps. So yeah, highly recommend them. Definitely check them out and use my code to get some money off your order. I don't make any commission. But yeah, this is the bag. I had to get an organizer. It makes such a big difference. I highly recommend it for this bag, or actually any other Prada bag, because I'm sure the nylon bags probably have the same problem. So yeah, to me, an insert is a must for the Prada Re-Edition bags. So yeah. This is the bag. I really love it. As I mentioned, I've already used it. You can only use it on the crook of your arm, or you can hold it like this. It doesn't come with a long crossbody strap, but I don't mind it. I actually think it looks so cute on the crook of your arm. It's so sparkly. I get so many compliments every time I go out with this bag. I get so many compliments. It is really not showing how beautiful and sparkly this bag is on camera, so I will insert some clips so you can see in direct sunlight how beautiful and reflective the crystals are. You guys know that I don't normally like to go for trendy bags, and this is definitely a trendy bag, but I just couldn't pass on this beauty. It is so stunning, and it will be a beautiful evening bag and holiday bag. I've already booked a holiday. Hopefully it will happen this year, and I am definitely taking this bag with me on my holiday. It is stunning. It will be so easy to wear. I don't have to worry about it because it's not like super expensive handbag as well. I think the price point of these bags is great. And this one is satin with all the crystals. I really thought it would be a lot more, but I believe I paid around £1,200. I will double check the receipt, and if the price is different, I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen, but I think it was around 1,200. So yeah, super excited to wear it. I wear it during the day. I don't care that it's so blingy. I wear it during the day with plain outfits, and it's such a statement. So I love this bag. Let me show you what else I got from Prada. Okay, here it is, purchase number 2. So here it is. Here is the beautiful baby blue Prada box. How stunning. I love the packaging. And can you guys guess what this is? When I showed you on my Instagram, many of you guessed correct that one of the items was this one. So this is a very trendy, popular item right now. Yep, you guessed it. I think only 2 people guessed that I got the Prada Crystal Bag, but everyone else was right about these. I got these super popular, trendy Prada loafers in black. I've always been a huge fan of these shoes. As soon as they released them, I fell in love with them. However, they were impossible to find and I really wanted the brown ones. Now I've changed my mind. I'm happy that I actually got them in black because I think they're a bit more versatile. I have another pair that is very similar and they're from Zara. They're very old Zara loafers that I have and I wear them so much. Especially I remember I used to wear them a lot for work. They were so easy to style with everything. They were black patent Zara loafers. Again, a bit chunkier, not as chunky as these, but I wore these to death. Not only to work, but they were also perfect for the transitional period. I always struggle with shoes during the transitional periods. I don't want to wear boots because it's too hot, but I also wouldn't want to wear, let's say, ballerina shoes because it's still a bit chilly. So yeah, I always struggle when it comes to shoes during this time of the year, and these loafers are perfect. Actually, do you know what? If the brown ones come back in stock, I think I might pick up the brown pair as well. I know they're the same, but I love them so much. They're super comfortable. Bear in mind, these run big, so go half a size down. Highly suggest you go half a size down. You wouldn't want these to be big because you won't be able to walk in them. Your foot will keep coming out at the back. I know these are super trendy right now, but I also think that this style looks quite classic and timeless. So even when this trend passes, I think you would still be able to wear these and they won't look very outdated. Now they released these in other colors. I think they come in white and also other styles. Now they have a more spring summer style with an open back. So it's like the Gucci Princeton loafers. But yeah, these are my favorite. I must say these are a bit pricey, but 100% worth it. They are absolutely fabulous and they look amazing with every single outfit. So I really love them. They are also super sturdy, so they will last you a very long time. The quality of this shoe is amazing. They are a bit on the heavier side, but I don't mind it. They're not super heavy. But again, if you're planning to walk in these all day, if you go on holidays, don't bring these with you on holidays if you go sightseeing, because after a while they do get a bit heavy. But yeah, other than that, I think they are fabulous. And I also had to pick the black ones because come on, they look so amazing together. You guys know that I like to be matchy and I like to wear the same brands together as well. So when I wear the Prada bag, I ideally would love to wear Prada shoes as well. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Prada unboxing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts. Did you expect me to buy such trendy pieces? I always go for classics, but this time I couldn't resist this beauty. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!